try to get as close to the water as possible, but I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like shooting in different directions and you can kind of see it a little bit. So anyway, give me 1 second, guys. I closer look, and as you can see, the water is coming out the way it's supposed to. I'm just showing it. To the shower because I got my socks on and I don't want to get my socks wet. But as you can see from the looking at the shelf thingy, there is no like soap scum or anything like that. And as you can see, the glass is pretty clean. And then over here where all the soap stuff is right here, bar soap, not messy or anything like that. And I did get most of the pink off the edges there, so that is good. Okay, hang on 1 second, guys. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up this video here. So anyway, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.